Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Ahmad and today we are going to do adjective and its kinds. So let's get started. An adjective describes or modifies nouns or pronouns in a sentence. It normally indicates quality, size, shape, duration, feelings, contents, and more about noun or pronoun. Examples are: the team has a dangerous batsman. What kind of batsman? Dangerous batsman. So dangerous is adjective over here. I have 10 candies in my pocket. How many candies? 10 candies. So 10 is adjective over here as it is qualifying candies, that is noun. I love that red car. Which one? That red. So that red is adjective as it is qualifying noun car. There are different kinds of adjectives, but we'll start with qualitative adjective. A qualitative adjective is a word which describes nouns and pronouns. Most of the adjectives belong in this type. These adjectives provide information and attribute to the nouns and pronouns they modify or describe. Examples are: I have a fast car. The word fast is describing an attribute of the car. I am hungry. The word hungry is providing information about the subject. The hungry cats are crying. I saw a flying eagle. Now, in these examples, fast, hungry, and flying are qualitative adjectives as they are qualifying nouns and they are telling the quality of that very noun. Next is quantitative adjective or adjective of quantity. A quantitative adjective provides information about the quantity of nouns or pronouns. This type belongs to the question category of how much and how many. Examples are: I have 20 bucks in my wallet. How much? 20 bucks. They have 3 children. How many? 3 children. You should have completed the whole task. How much task? The whole task. Now, there is a slight difference between adjective of quantity and adjective of number. The first two examples are adjective of number. Why is that? Because they are qualifying the countable nouns, like bucks are countable nouns, children are countable nouns. So that is why they are called as adjective of quantity, as they are called as adjective of number. Rather than the third example is the example of quantitative adjective or adjective of quantity, as the task is uncountable now. Next is proper adjective. Proper adjectives are adjectives form of proper nouns. When proper nouns modify or describe other nouns or pronouns, they become proper adjectives. Proper means specific rather than formal or polite. Examples are: American cars are very strong. Chinese people are hard workers. Now you see, American comes from America, which is proper noun. Chinese come from China, which is also proper noun. I love KFC burgers. Now, in all these examples, American, Chinese, and KFC are proper adjectives. Next is demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective directly refers to something or someone. Demonstrative adjectives includes the words this, that, these, those. A demonstrative pronoun works alone and does not precede a noun, but demonstrative adjective always comes before the word it modifies. Now this is the clear difference between a demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Like demonstrative adjective always comes with the noun and demonstrative pronoun doesn't. Examples are: that building is so gorgeously decorated. That refers to a singular noun far from the speaker. This car is mine. This refers to a singular noun close to the speaker. These cats are cute. These refers to a plural noun close to the speaker. Those flowers are heavenly. Those refers to a plural noun far from the speaker. Now in these examples, that, this, these and those are demonstrative adjectives as they are qualifying nouns: building, car, cats and flowers. Next is possessive adjective. A possessive adjective indicates possession or ownership. It suggests the belongingness of something to someone or something. Some of the most used possessive adjectives are my, his, her, are, their, your. Are these adjectives always come before a noun? Unlike possessive pronouns, these words demand a noun after them. Examples are: my car is parked outside. His cat is very cute. Our job is almost done. Her books are interesting. Now in all these examples you can see that whose car, my car, it is showing the possession. Whose cat, his cat, it is also showing the possession. Whose job, our job. Whose books, hers books. So all these examples are showing the possession. So these words my, his, our and her are called as possessive adjectives. Next is interrogative adjective. An interrogative adjective asks a question. An interrogative adjective must be followed by a noun or a pronoun. The interrogative adjectives are which, what, whose. These words will not be considered as adjectives if a noun does not follow right after them. Examples are: which phone do you use? What game do you want to play? Whose car is this? Now in all these examples, which, what and whose are used to ask something. That is why they are called as interrogative, as they are used with the nouns like phone, game and car. So that is why they qualify these nouns. So that is why they are called as adjectives. As they are asking the question, so that is why they would be called as interrogative adjectives. Next is degrees of adjective. There are three degrees of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. These degrees are applicable only for descriptive adjectives. Examples are: positive degree, he is a good boy. Comparative degree, he is a better than any other boy. Superlative degree, he is the best boy. Now in all these, good, better and best are the degrees of adjective. Next is indefinite adjective. An indefinite adjective describes or modifies a noun unspecifically. They provide indefinite or unspecific information about the noun. The common indefinite adjectives are few, many, much, most, all, any, each, every, either, nobody, several, some, etc. Examples are: I gave some candies to her. I want a few moments alone. Several writers wrote about the recent incidents. Now, in all these examples, some, a few, and several are indefinite adjectives as they are qualifying nouns, candies, movements, and writers. That's all, students. Hope that you have enjoyed the lecture. Stay home, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.